Alright guys, we finally got the iPhone XS in the house, and I say finally because not only did I forget to pre-order it, but I also showed up late at the Apple store. I wasn't able to camp out like I always do, and I showed up at like 11 o'clock and they almost ran out of every single phone. They ran out of the XS Max, but they had a XS and I just had to snag it out. But what's interesting is because this is my second unboxing on the channel, and the first one I did with the iPhone 8 last year, some guy actually, he was bigger than me at the time, he had a bigger channel, and he actually just stole my video and just like spoke over it in a foreign language, and he got a lot of views off that video, but then he took it down finally. But that guy was a thief. I called him out on Twitter for it last year and he took it down, but hopefully that doesn't happen again this year. So let's just get on with the unboxing. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it like this. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not gonna do that. I did it last year and you guys like freaked out on me. Just a little joke, guys. Don't, just calm down. But this is how you open it. You just pull down on this flap right here, and I didn't even know this, but they had it here last year too, and you pretty much just take it down like this, I'm assuming, and that's it. And this is my first time actually opening it, so I have not opened this one yet. I opened the XS Max first though, and as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. We have the box here, we have the iPhone right here. What's interesting is like I like this new little like hello thing, because it really resembles like when you open up your iPhone for the first time. I wish they just had like a just gesture bar down here, but you guys don't really care. They have the SIM eject tool right there, they have thing, and then they have the Apple stickers, which you guys love. And I love these things so much. I put them on my water bottle actually, because I don't know where to put them. Like, where do you guys put those stickers at? And then we have the piece de resistance, or whatever you say, the iPhone XS, and I got it in gold. I think it looks pretty sick. It almost looks like rose gold, but not really, and it's not like 100% gold, but it's not that big of a deal really. I just kind of want to see if the iPhone XS case will fit on an iPhone XS, and as you can see, it does kind of, but you can look at the camera right there. It looks really awkward, like it's not snug at all. There's like a lot of gap in between. It doesn't close down all the way. I mean, it still works if you think about it. Like if you're looking at it right here, the front, it doesn't, you can't really tell a difference. But on the back, you can see, I mean, you guys can see right there, it does not look good at all. But that is besides the point. Now this thing's loading up, so we'll just go with that. In the box, we have the charging brick, which if you guys haven't seen a charging brick yet in your life, then you guys need to go read a book. And it feels a little different actually. Maybe it's because it has plastic on it. Oh, it has plastic on it, okay. And we have the charger down here. Now what the sad thing is that we do not have any dongles, which means if you have like, let's say the original like headphones that have the 3.5mm whatever, they will not work on this unless you get a dongle, which is like $10 on Best Buy or Apple Store, or they're like 25 cents on eBay, which I would recommend you getting from there. But it's pretty ridiculous that that's the case. They should have at least left the 25-cent thing in their box instead of, we're paying $1,000 something for a phone. Like, the least they can do is put that on there, but whatever. Yeah, but I'm just gonna go ahead and set it up, and it's gonna take like the same amount of time. Like, it's no big deal. I'm gonna say like everything's gonna be good. It's gonna be faster, this and that. But that little camera thing they did is just so unnecessary. I wish they never did that. I wish the cases did fit, because now we have to go out and buy different cases and all that. So it's kind of annoying, but it's whatever. And we're finally in, and I'm gonna do a lot more tests with it, like thoroughly. I'm gonna thoroughly test it out. I actually forgot to take out the plastic thing, so let's go ahead and do that. I don't know why people like that so much. Like, that is pretty much the unboxing. I'm going to do a full review tomorrow. I'm going to do a full review of the XS Max as well. Spoiler alert, I do think they're going to be pretty similar to the iPhone X in terms of everything. Maybe it's faster. I know it's going to be faster, but is it worth the upgrade? I guess we'll see tomorrow. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, or if you want to see a specific comparison between this iPhone XS and another iPhone, leave it down in the comment section below. I'm going to try to do every iPhone, but it just depends when I do them. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit that like button, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber we get really does count, so it'll mean so much if you guys could hit that. Also, check out the links in the description as well. My second channel, link down in the description, check that out. My Twitter, my Instagram, all that stuff is down there. I would really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.